I present on how to teach young school children as a tutor. Well, as a college student, tutoring on one-to-one or teaching at after-school private school is one of the few simple ways to earn some pocket money. Besides, you can apply the same techniques when you help your children or siblings studies. So here are 4 big steps. 1. Never show or express negative reaction to students. 2. Speaking as simple language as possible. 3. Let children learn as they walk. And 4. There's no need for teacher to understand everything. Okay, let's start with the first point. 1. Never show or express negative reactions to students unless their behavior is intolerable. So, unlike the regular schools, children can see you face to face when you're tutoring, and they're relying on you to lead in front of them, so they can easily get nervous or discouraged during their studies. Well, that doesn't mean you have to smile all time long, but you have to try to praise a student rather than to scold them in order to encourage them to enjoy their studies to some extent. Okay, point 2. Speaking as simple language as possible. So words and logics that you and I are familiar with may not always be familiar with your students who are younger than you. And they may not be following what you're saying, but there's also a chance that they're just letting it pass through without raising any questions. That is because, especially when in the class, many students doesn't like to show up by asking a question. So you need to stop and check from time to time whether they're on the right track, such as by asking how they got the correct answer. And number 3, let children learn as they walk and use examples and visuals to explain their questions. So children can often solve problems intuitively as they learn. So you only need to teach the basics first, and the rest actually you can work along with the students. It is important to encourage students to build their own logics so that they can eventually solve the questions on their own. So the use of visual aids and pictures are therefore important, highly recommended rather than just use of simple word listings and sentences. And last but not least, number 4, there's no need to understand everything. You can learn along with your students, actually. Well, you should be, of course, well prepared for your class, but still there will be times when unexpected questions arise from students. Well, panicking is the worst option you can do, so breathe in and take time to find the answer, if you cannot find the answer instantly. And if you're teaching more than 2 students, you can ask other students for the answers, for they may be better off at answering the questions. Okay, so the conclusion, the teaching styles that will fit you will definitely differ from mine and what I said right now, but what I said these are the common approaches that many teachers have taken. And I hope this will help you to teach young children on some occasion. Thank you.